Hello everyone, this is Haiti BizNews. This is the last episode for this week. I am your host, SeeJeanty, and here are the headlines. Updates on the earthquake in the south of Haiti. Natcom denies increase in mobile plane price rumors. And construction of an ATM complex and a new control tower at the international airport. Haiti BizNews is about business, economic, and a Haitian cultural context for an international audience. And we have to remind you and invite you to go watch the latest video of SeeJeanty Media, available on YouTube, the YouTube channel of SeeJeanty Media. And we are going to be focusing on BYOTI Beauty Salon, which is Haiti premier beauty salons for women. They have two locations found in Delma, Turgeon, and Woodfrere that are beautifully designed facilities made to treat nails, feet, hair, and give a total mind, body, and soul experience. We met with their owner, Christine, and she showed us the place, and we spoke to her, and she gave us all the details that you need to know about this place. Don't forget, the link for this video is below in the description section. Updates and numbers from the earthquake that has been devastating Haiti, especially the south of Haiti. We have 1941 deaths as of now. We have 9,900 injured, 34 living people that were rescued from the rumble, 60,759 houses destroyed, 20 schools destroyed, 74 schools partially destroyed, when we know already that on the 6th of September the schools are going to be reopened. So we need an emergency to be able to build more schools in the department for those students. And also we have 684,000 people that are in need of humanitarian assistance, and this represents about 40% of the affected population of this affected department. Which mean that right now we still need help. We still need a lot of assistance that can assist us, because we still need to make sure that we get out of this situation. And also we have 28 inmates that escaped from the civil prison in Lekki. All of these are related to the earthquake. Since the earthquake, everything went downside, and even the inmates are leaving the prison. And also we have $8 million in donation that was announced by the United Nations that is going to come to assist us in the south to be able to deal with this earthquake. So this is the last update that we're gonna give you for this week. So stay tuned for next week. We'll be bringing you more updates and more numbers when it comes to this earthquake. Before we drop to our second big news story today, guys, I have to remind you that all the articles of this news are available on our website, HaitiBizNews.com. You can go there and read them after or before you see this episode. For our second news headline, we have information about Natcom that is denying the increase in mobile plane price rumors. Contacted by some journalists, Natcom said that the prices of their plane has not been increased since 2020. But right now, for a specific plan, but users and consumers are taking over social media to denounce that issue, because right now they're saying that before they used to put 100 good to be able to activate a plane for 7 days, but right now they need to put 120 good. And Natcom says that it is not really an increase because they just giving more data for a little bit of raise. It's a smart way to put that, but it's still a raise. And Natcom also states that they have not been affected by the earthquake whatsoever, so they're looking good. We have to thank our sponsors, because without them this show will not be able to be on air. Guys, we have Value Canals, which is the #1 home appliance and furniture retailer here in Haiti. You can talk to anyone that you have, guys. Even if you're in the US, even if you abroad, you can still order things for your family and they will get it right at their door. That's what Value Connect can do. And also we have Hypro Distribution, which is an export-based distribution company that is exporting tobacco leaves, coffee, cassava, and so many other agricultural products. I have to remind you that Hypro Distribution is looking for wholesalers in the US to make business with. So guys, if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@hypro.solution. We want to thank the SeeJeanty private WhatsApp group, the SeeJeanty Patreon, whose contribution while building an action-oriented community is a big part to what makes this show happen. And also guys, we are looking for new sponsors. We are looking for more sponsors. If you're interested, if you are a business, if you are a foundation or a brand, you can be featured in our show. Just contact us at sponsor@hypro.solutions. We'll be back for the next headline news. And we are back, guys, to bring you the last news headline for today, which is the construction of an ATM complex and a new control tower at the international airport. Well, this project will be funded by the Inter-American Development Bank, and it will be the company that is going to be in charge of this is the International ADP Engineering Company with the Haitian company named Jenny Conseil SA. They're gonna do this in partnership for $20 million, and this will be for a duration of 32 months. This is a great thing because this will make Haiti in a good place when it comes to air traffic in the Caribbean. And as you know, guys, SeeJeanty Media has great content for you on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter. You can go and check all of them. You can just tap SeeJeanty Media or just SeeJeanty, and you will be able to like all of our amazing content. We have information for you everywhere. So like, comment, share, and please leave comments and recommendations. Thanks again to our sponsors, guys, because without them, this will not be able to be on air. And I am Stanley Pierre Etienne, and this was Haiti BizNews for this week. This is the last episode for this week, so we will see you next week for the continuation of Haiti BizNews with me, Stanley Pierre Etienne, your host.